7 days to relieve anxiety, day 4. Feel safe and grounded again. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to relax. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a slow breath in and feel your body settle. And slowly breathe out, releasing tension. Bring your awareness to the points where your body touches the ground. Feel the support beneath you holding you safely. Notice the weight of your body gently sinking down. Allow yourself to be fully supported in this moment. Take another deep breath in. And exhale slowly, letting go of any tightness. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth. Strong, steady, and grounding you deeply. With each breath, feel more stable and secure. Allow your legs to relax and soften. Release any tension you may be holding. Bring your awareness to your hips and lower body. Feel the support beneath you growing stronger. Take a slow breath in. And breathe out, allowing yourself to feel safe. Bring your attention to your chest and heart area. Notice your breath rising and falling. Place a gentle awareness here. Allow your heart space to soften and open. You are safe in this moment. Nothing else is needed right now. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Let them drop and relax completely. Release any burden you have been carrying. Bring your awareness to your neck and jaw. Allow them to soften and loosen. Let your face relax gently. Feel your whole body supported and grounded. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale, feeling calm spread through your body. Stay here in this feeling of safety. Allow your mind to quiet down naturally. You are grounded, you are safe, you are present. Rest in this calm and steady state. Let each breath deepen your sense of peace. Feel yourself becoming more centered. More balanced and at ease. Gently begin to bring awareness back to your body. Notice your surroundings without losing your calm. Take one final deep breath in. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.